Alright guys, we're going to be using the NEEWER Z3R. We're going to give this a test shot. Light looks clean, super bold. I'm shooting on TTL, and the nice thing about this is the model knows how to move, so I don't need to talk here. I'm going to move the camera a little bit this way. The only thing about shooting with this light here is because the light is camera left of the lens, that's going to cause the shadow to be on the camera right side of the model. The solution would be to bring the camera upright like this, and then to shoot. But then the issue you have, in order to get the same amount of the body in the shot, you need to move back to go from portrait to landscape. And so the issue with that is now the light has to be a little bit stronger to reach. But in terms of the quality of the light, super responsive. The light looks really nice. This is a real common look for like a Max magazine type vibe. And the trick here is make sure that you have enough baby oil on the skin. The light looks really clean. I'm actually going to take the light, take it off, because I want to go back to a 3/4 shot here so I can maximize all the pixels. But one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the remotes that was sent out. All right, so I'm doing here. We've got a really harsh light. It's aimed a little bit higher than the nose, just like that. So now this is whether you can shoot horizontal or you can shoot portrait mode without getting the funky shadow all the way off to the side. Nice thing about this is you can still raise the light up higher if you want. That's gonna give you the shadow underneath. But this kind of direct lighting here, like that, perfect. It's very common for glam type shots. When you have oil on the skin, looks super clean. Let's cross that knee over a little bit more. Just like that, yeah, perfect, good. Bring the hair around to the front on the left side. Like that, perfect, good. All right, I'm gonna bring this camera over so you can see what my view is like. Good. Easy, love. Like that, good. So I've got the light set up on TTL. I've got it set to 1 over, so that way it's a little bit brighter. Gives it a little more of a punchy look, a little bit of a high contrast vibe. Easy, perfect. We can still move the light off to the side if we want to. So this way, if her face is over on that side, let me find this up here. So we can still treat it like off-camera flash here. But this allows us to get multiple different looks here. Love that right there. Good. The light's a little bit higher, it gives you a little bit more definition, a bit more contrast. This here, the light aimed more down versus aimed towards at her. Now let's aim the light straight at her. Cycle time's really fast. Let me see how fast we can shoot. Ready? Turbo. Ready? Easy. Y'all notice that I'm not talking at all, which is one of the nice things about working with a very seasoned model. Obviously a pro, which makes it easy to go over easy light setups like this. Easy. Perfect. All right, there we have. We shot a ton. We shot with it on camera, shot off camera when we use the trigger. This is actually also compatible with the Godox triggers. Let me take off my glasses because I feel like I'm old talking like this.
Dime, ¿te recuerdas? Recuerdos míos de esa noche, cuando yo te tuve aquí, solo pa' mí. Recuerda cuando te escapabas y tu novio a ti te llamaba y tú me lo mamabas y te lo tuve que repetir, solo pa' mí. Yo te comí, bebita chiquita bonita. Ella siempre me llamaba porque la dejaban con las ganas y yo siempre la hice que llegara. con el hoyo. A mí me decía que a mí me quería, pero yo no quise más de ti. Y ahí fue cuando yo tomé la salida y también me fui. Ya no quise más de ti. Recuerdos míos de esa noche, cuando yo te tuve aquí, solo pa' mí. Recuerda cuando te escapabas y tu novio a ti te llamaba y tú me lo mamabas y te lo tuve que repetir. Solo pa' mí, yo te comí. Bebita chiquita, bonita. Si solo lo supiera, donde lo hacíamos y donde tú me verás. Siempre tu manera, siempre te escondías porque tú no eres mi beba. Y cuando tú te fuiste me mandaste una foto para que no te olvides. Ella no se decide, quiere más de mí, pero así no fue, baby. Recuerdos míos de esa noche, cuando yo te tuve aquí, solo pa' mí. Recuerda cuando te escapabas y tu novio a ti te llamaba y tú me lo mamabas y te lo tuve que repetir. Solo pa' mí, yo te comí. Bebita chiquita, bonita.